Hi guys, it's Leah, and today what I'm going to be doing is going to be testing out this Goopit slime. I haven't done the packet, but I haven't tested it out yet. So now, come on, Leah. I'm guessing it wants to be in the video. Okay. Just gonna pour it into my hand. Scared that it's gonna stick. No, by the way, do you like my nail? Well, I've done one, but I'm gonna do the rest later. Here, we'll just it's unicorn. Okay. This feels like water and it feels weird. It doesn't really stretch. I think it's just jiggly slime. Then jiggly slime stretches. This is probably just overactivated slime. Probably to put, well, if you activate jiggly slime, you put like rubber slime, and then you break it up into pieces like this, and you melt it in boiling hot water. They activate in that boiling hot water. It's supposed to be like a thick consistency, but not like too thick. And then you put activate in that boiling hot water, and then it turns into jiggly slime. But then they might have put too much activate in it, depending on how big they made the batch. So yeah, Leo, what are you doing? Seriously, what are you doing? I can't wait till later. My friend's coming round, but my party's tomorrow. But then everyone's going to be in love with that beautiful face. Woo! I can't promise that I'm going to make a video tomorrow, but I think I am. People are allowed on YouTube. Properly. Do not touch the screen. It's like right next to it. You can't see the. You can't see. And there he is. And I'm moving away. It's time to get to the bird. Or are you trying to be in the video? If you want to go over there, go over there. Leo. One second, guys. This is not a good video because of my nephew. Slide flavor. Slime feel. At least I can throw this slime up and down. I just cycle it. Leo! Tap! Okay guys, I'm probably gonna have to end the video here because he's doing my editing and this is a very short video, but I'm sorry. So yeah. Kind of stretches, it's like water. You can make a slime swirl, but it looks like poo. Look. Looks like green poo. It looks like diarrhea, to be honest. You look. I'm going to do a video and introduce my bird. No. You're supposed to give it to me, not throw it over there. Nope. 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 He's funny. Guys, what I'm going to do is run upstairs. Hopefully you don't see my mum. But anyway, I'm going to run upstairs and get my phone and I'm going to show you the Snapchat of me and Leo. It's really funny. Okay, you better be good. Be good, Leo. Yeah, be good. Be good boy. I'll be 1 second. Timer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It needs to I've got a video.
My idea is just carry that later for 3 days.
Is he cute? Stop that. Bye.
My phone. Don't scream. Okay, and then the next one is this one. Oh, don't concentrate. Yeah, let me turn the brightness down. Maybe see it with
Yeah, she's we have a bit since that's all she's with, so
No, how it says he's yeah, I'll take a Snapchat of me and him now.
yeah,
Okay, you ready? Leo, come here.
yeah, the right
Come here. Leo. I'm in my pajamas, guys. It's like
yeah.
5:11. I'm in my pajamas. Dude, it's sitting on my bum. Look. It's sitting on my bum. Come here. It's one nowhere. I'll just take a Snapchat of myself.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'll phone Sean. Yeah, and I've got no car seat on no for him. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm sick of it because they just don't even, they're not even bothered. They're not bothered.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. We're going to save this. I shall see you next time. Bye. Say, Leo, bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Leo, go bye-bye.
Yeah.
Like this. Go bye-bye.
Yeah, but
Okay, bye.